YouTube? Well, I'm making myself a little video. I kind of stepped it up. I'm not using the cell phone today for videos and recordings and sound and all that other stuff. Happy belated Father's Day to all you fathers out there. As for me, I got myself a nice little upgrade for the channel. So I had this camera that I used for streaming. It's a Sony ZV-1. I know nothing about them. I just buy them and try them and then try to make things better. But besides the fact, I got this microphone. I guess they call them Rude Road. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm trying it out. I'm going to see how this does, if it betters or the stability. I'm going to try getting all these different things and hopefully it makes videos better. But that's one little upgrade that I got. The next one is for the truck. It's very minor, nothing big. It's something that I think you guys, if you have this new, the new screen, that you guys have all those problems probably like me. Or at least it bothers me, is all that dust. When you wipe it, it's dirty. So the glare, that's another big thing. I had that screen protector that came with the truck. I had that on for a while. I thought I was gonna rock that thing until the wheels fall off, and then you take it to go get your car washed and the guys jack it up. Yeah, so I looked online and I thought, okay, well, let me get myself a screen protector and see how I can fix this. So let me show you guys. Well, it's kind of hard to get it right here, but it's this bad boy. Okay, Spigen. They do the same thing, like if you have you know, cell phones and tablets and stuff like that. So this is it right here. Basically, it is a glass portion of a screen protector. Delicate touch. I haven't had any problems. Here's the back part about it. I don't know if this helps you guys out. Sorry about the lighting. It's, you know, this is what you're looking at. This is a slim auto display, anti-glare. Yeah, let me show you. So this bad boy goes all the way. So as you can see, I'm kind of gonna go back. It goes around all the way and covers all the way around. So it's kind of, sorry, focus is no bueno. So if you can kind of see, let me see if I can zoom in, see if that helps out. See how it just literally goes around, covers it perfectly, comes back down, boom. So it is anti-glare, which means it's great for non-fingerprints, sun blasting off of it. I guess looking at it right now doesn't kind of do it justice. You got to kind of like look when you're in the truck. But let's just go ahead and shut that off because I don't understand why. So there you go. It doesn't do the best, but man, it sure does help with, it's very responsive. It doesn't take away at all from when you touch it. Not one bit. You touch it, boom. Go to the next one, boom, does its thing. Go back. So it's pretty damn responsive. That doesn't take away from the touching. As you can kind of see, if you can, there's really not that many finger spots on their fingerprints. So it really hides them really well. It's very like a glass kind of material, same as it is for your phones, like I said. So once it's on, it's on. What you got to do is you got to basically clean it with the little wipes they give you. Get any of, you know, as you can probably see, some of the dust. Get that dust off. Same thing as if you put on a screen protector. Actually, this was my second one. My first one had this weird bubble that wouldn't go away. So they sent me a replacement, and I got it back within the next day or two. Popped this one back on, and it just like, boom, seals really, really nice. So pretty easy. If you know how to put on screen protectors for your phone, you're gonna easily know how to do this. So pretty simple, something basic. Don't want to bore you guys with super long videos, but that just goes to show you, hey, look, if I want some sort of, you know, option for having a screen protector for my brand new Silverado, that right there to me would be the best bet. I did a little research. I saw a couple of them, and I'm like, I like that you have something that is almost like a matte. It's not completely shiny. It hides the fingerprints really, really well. So for me, it's the best bet. The dust, you could barely see the dust. Obviously it's gonna pile up every now and then, but it's nowhere near what it was when it had that stock little plastic thing on there. So for me, it works really well. For you, hey, you can take my word for it, or you can just go with something else. But for me, like I said, very nice, like it. So I got it on, I'll go ahead and put a link on for it, but I put it on Amazon. I believe it was like 35 bucks, but still, dude, well worth it. So if you guys like it, great. Show the love. Tell me what you think in the comments. Let me know if this is for you, what you would go with, or if you just like that stock little plastic, just little hanging right there, because I know I don't. But go ahead, like it if you like it, subscribe. I'll keep some more vids coming. I'm gonna try to make these videos better. I got a mic, hopefully this is good. So peace out, thanks for watching, adios.